In this video, I'm going to teach you how to track steps on MyFitnessPal. In order to track steps, you must first enable the step tracking and the app settings menu by selecting your desired step source. It can be using your phone, Google Fit, Fitbit, Apple Watch, or more. So I have in here this article that can help us. Go over to the More page once you have turned on or installed your MyFitnessPal. Go over to the settings and click on steps. If you're already linked for an activity tracker, just tap the item on the list. But if you're not, you can actually use your phone to track your steps. So if you do not have a tracking device, click on Add a device and browse for compatible devices to purchase. You can also choose or turn it off by clicking on the Don't Track steps that you can see from there as well. So from there, you can actually just choose your step source. You have the option to not purchase any device and just use your phone as well for the source itself. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.